So you can adjust the level of noise cancelling, basically adjusting how much of the noise you want cancelled on your Nothing Headphones 1. So you need the app to do that. So just go to the Nothing X app and find your headphones. And then when you have noise cancellation enabled, like it is right here, you can actually use this to adjust. So you can have low noise cancelling or medium noise cancelling or high noise cancellation, or you can set it to adaptive. Now, with adaptive on, it basically means your headphones will decide when to turn off noise cancelling. So for instance, when someone is talking to you, or maybe when it detects a sound that you should hear, maybe an ambulance sound near you or near where you're walking, it's going to adaptively change the noise cancelling mode, okay, or reduce the level of noise cancelling. But if you want the highest level of noise cancelling continuously, just leave it on high. Thanks for watching and good luck.